How to favorite heroes in Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are looking to keep your favorite heroes organized in Raid Shadow Legends, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open your Raid Shadow Legends game on your device, and once you're inside this map section, go ahead and click on the Champions button at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can go ahead and select your hero, and once you do, click on the little star icon at the bottom and select favorite. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to mark the hero as your favorite. Now you can head back to the game and start playing. So that is how you easily favorite a hero in Raid Shadow Legends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.